Now we will cover wages. What are wages? According to Section 2RR of Industrial Disputes Act, all remuneration, it means the payment done in form of money or otherwise, okay, all those type of payment paid to the workman in respect of his employment or work done by him, okay, to his employment or and according to terms and conditions of his employment, okay, all types of payments which are paid to the workman in respect of his employment are called wages. And what it includes and what it excludes, it includes all allowances, okay, including dearness allowances, home accommodation, house accommodation, and other services, okay. And traveling concession also comes under wages. The commissions paid to the workmen on promotion or of sales or business, on the promotion of business or both, okay, these all are included under wages. What is excluded from the definition of wages? Bonuses given to the workman, the contribution by employer under law, okay, when he is bound to make those contributions under law, like the contribution to pension fund, provident fund, or for the benefit of workman, or the gratuity paid to the workman on termination of his service, okay, all these are excluded from the definition of wages. The wages are fixed on various considerations. There are various considerations on the basis of which the wages are fixed and in accordance with laws of Minimum Wages Act, okay. It should be fixed according to the laws of Minimum Wages Act. Next we see what is award. According to section 2B of Industrial Disputes Act, award is a decision, okay, interim or final, of industrial dispute or related question given by labor court or industrial tribunal or national tribunal. So the decision given by labor court or industrial tribunal or national tribunal, whether that decision is interim or final related to any industrial dispute, that decision is called an award. It also includes arbitration award, okay. Arbitration award under section 10A, they are also called award. They are included in the definition of award. When is an award enforceable? It is enforceable on the date specified, whether the day, either the date is specified within the award, that the award will be enforceable from 10th May, okay, like this, or on expiry of 30 days from publication date. It means when the award will be published after the expiry of 30 days from the publication date, it will be enforceable. The appropriate government has the power to reject the award, okay. The appropriate government has the power to reject the decision of these courts. On what ground it can reject? If the award or decision makes too much financial burden, okay, thereby national economy adversely affected. If due to the decision of the courts or the award given by the court, there is too much financial burden and this burden adversely affects national economy, on that basis the appropriate government can reject the award. How is this award or decision binding on which parties? In the case of settlement, the parties to the agreement, the parties who had agreed to the settlement, it is binding on them. In the case of arbitration, the parties to the agreement who refer to arbitration, okay, all those parties who refer to the arbitration, okay, and agreed for the arbitration, they are bound to follow the award, okay, or to comply with the award. In the case the award or decision is made by labor court tribunal or national tribunal, in that case the award or decision is binding on all parties to the industrial dispute. It is also binding on all other parties who were summoned, okay. It is binding on the employer, his hires, successors, assigns in respect of establishment related to dispute, okay. If there is an employer, he has three industries A, B, C, okay. If there is an industrial dispute with his industry A, okay, and labor court or other tribunal gives some award or decision related to that industry, then that award is binding on employer in relation to only A. It is not binding in relation to B or C. Okay, this is what is said in this point. It is binding on the workmen who are right now in service or who will be subsequently employed in that industry. On whom this award is not binding, it is not binding on the members of the union which is not party to the reference. The union which is not party to the reference, okay, it is not party to the dispute. The members of that union, they are not bound by this award. So this was award. We did wages also. Next will be continuous service.